Turn your yellowed sneakers into cash on eBay. I got these shoes for $130 on Eastbay, so that tells you how old these are. I will also clarify that this video is pretty old too. So first what I did is I just put them on eBay and I said, hey, these are yellowing. So you can see down below yellowing. I had absolutely no sales. eBay said, go ahead and lower the price so that you get some sales. But I'm like, no, let's just see what happens if I decide to paint the midsole. So I used Alpha Flex and Angelus. Now this was before I did a lot of tests. Alpha Flex is not quite as good as Angelus. You can see little marks there. I've never worn these shoes before, but just naturally they are not perfect. I blame Nike. Even though these are straight from Nike / Eastbay, they have some flaws. I did Alpha Flex as the base coat and then 2 coats of Angelus. Alpha Flex is really matte and chalky feeling, so I would just recommend going with Angelus flat white. Do very light coats and let there be enough dry time. Also, when you're painting, make sure that there's no streaks. I'd love to hear your opinion on this. Who do you think is the best for buying and selling? Do you think eBay is the best, or is GOAT or StockX better? I use my embosser to speed up the drying time, but be very careful. I did 3 light coats. Base coat was Alpha Flex and then 2 coats of Angelus. There was a little fuzzy on it, so I had to wipe it off. But be super careful. You do not need to prep the shoe. It's brand new. You don't have to prep it unless you'd be painting on the leather, but the midsole, you're good. You can see it's 100 times better. It doesn't look nasty and yellow. So I posted these on eBay, and within like 3 days, they sold right away. eBay authenticated it and delivered it, so good to go. Spending 20 minutes to get my money back was not too bad of a deal. Please only do this if you have shoes that are not super old. If your shoes are really old, the midsoles will crumble and your customer will hate you. Make sure that you are transparent and honest in your listings. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe, and as always, happy creating.